Hi, this is Hatsiri Martinez, and this is some of the advance that I did this week. So the thing that I thought is that I need to add a login view. Okay, so I decided to use the AGS files for the views. So I have my index view where I added a form for the username and the password fields, and I set apart the footer, head, and header as partials because I thought that, or I think that I need views, for example, to delete view, details view, or all the database view, or if I want to update key drama, or if I want to create or add a new key drama. So I need that views. Okay, so I think that this way can be good to use with AGS files. And okay, I'm using these ones because in each view I'm going to use the same footer, head, and header. So okay, so here is my render deploy that is good successfully, and here is my view for the index I need. Here is a menu and the username and password. I think that okay, in this part I have required fields like please complete this field and also this field, and I think that when I click the login button I need to add the authentication. So I'm still starting these readings, but okay, if I'm in the right path, please tell me, or if I'm wrong, please tell me. But okay, this is my advance for this week, so thank you so much and see you next week.